Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall an app from your LD player. Okay, your Android stimulator. Okay, I'm using LD player. So I've been installing quite a lot of apps, and I want to actually uninstall one. So I'm going to show you how I can uninstall. Actually, I'm going to be uninstalling this game app. Okay, Toy Match. So let me actually try to do this from the start. Let me first close this so that you don't get confused. So let me just restart my LD player. Okay, it's just so that I can start from scratch. Okay, so start your LD player. Let me kind of maximize this. Okay. I think it's done. Okay, all right. I feel my PC is getting old. Okay, now it has started. Okay, we're going to, I have quite a lot of apps, so I'm going to search the app that I want to uninstall, which is Toy Match. I think this is the spelling. It's there. In case it doesn't come, you try to kind of click on any which will come here. Okay, it's the same thing. So let me just click on Toy Match. That is what I want to download. But in case you don't see what you want to, sorry, that's what I want to uninstall. In case you don't see what you want to uninstall, please proceed and click on any which has a similar name, even if it's another app. That is okay. Because what you need to do is when you come on this page, you want to go to this section which has download. This thing has like a download thingy, download icon. So you just click on that. So when you click on that, it's going to blink download management, app update, app management, something like that. Okay. Now, when you are on the app, most cases, the app which you install, you may not really see an install anywhere actually. So I thought maybe mine was having a problem. So don't fall about that. You just go to that download, then you go to app management. Okay, there are these tabs. There are 4 tabs: download management, app update, app management. Okay, so under app management, you look for that app that you want to uninstall. Okay. Okay, I think something is messing up my PC. Okay, so we're going to uninstall Toy Match. So you just click on this, whatever you want to uninstall. Do you want to uninstall? Okay. Okay, I think let's give it some time. All right. So that is how you can uninstall apps from your uninstall Toy Match. Actually, it has given me a notification that it has uninstalled Toy Match. So that's how you uninstall apps in your LD player. In case you like this video, please leave me a like. If you can also leave me a subscription, I really appreciate that. I usually talk about um, IT apps and also how to make money online. And if it's something that you may be interested in finding out how to make money online and all, crazy stuff about IT, you can subscribe. If you're not interested to have all that on your YouTube history search and timeline, you can just like this video. I'll really appreciate it. Okay, see you guys in the next video, and bye bye.